Dude, you know that bats don't just hear the world. They see it with sound. Every second, bats fire out ultra-high frequency clicks that bounce off everything around them. Those echoes snap back so fast, bats instantly build a live 3D map of the room in their brain. They can track tiny insects midair, dodge obstacles at full speed, and fly through caves in total darkness without crashing. To a bat, silence is blindness, and sound is vision. So next time you hear a bat chirp, that's not noise. It's real-time sonar. If this blew your mind, like, subscribe, and share for more insane animal superpowers. Share this with your friends and ask them.